If you're looking kinda hot, but your hair is not, gotta Ronsay TV. If you wanna be,
I'm gonna be using 4 bundles of hair, a lace for the front part of the hair. Okay, I'm gonna be doing my own closure today, and of course a brush, a hairbrush, and the most tiniest crochet needle I'm going to be using. Cause the front part we're going to be doing our own closure, like I said, my closure today. And so yeah, this is how tiny it should look. Gonna be need needle and thread, and also pins to pin down that lace. So the first thing I'll do, I use a chalk and just mark the place where I want the closure to be, and I am just placing the lace on it, and now I'm pinning the lace down, and then I am going to cut it round and sew the lace on the wig cap. So now after sewing the lace, I'm going to take off the cap, and as you can see, I'm cutting that off, and now you have only the closure. Now I am starting with the sewing of the tracks, and I pin down the tracks, the hair, before I start sewing, and so that it just stays where I want it to stay. The hair is very light, more like an afro texture. It's long. The hair is 26 inches, and so it's a really long hair. a chalk and make a line right here. So now we're gonna do this other side together. I am going to show you how I do it. I'm using 4 strand for each hook. Use the crochet hook, pass it through the lace and hook 4 strands of hair, close the loop and pass it through the lace again, and make sure you make 2 knots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one.